makes it almost impossible to predict when, where, or whom he might strike. His oldest victim in the UK was in her late 80s. The youngest, 12. He trains his victims of his or her blood, then dumps their bodies in the ocean. Already 21 of his victims were recovered when they washed up on the coastline. The other 16 were presumably carried out to sea. I wouldn't be surprised if the body of his latest victim, Mr. Vickers, were to make an appearance on one of your beaches in the next few days. I'm going to call the Coast Guard, tell them to keep an eye out. Yeah. I trust that the lab has by now confirmed that the blood at the scene was Vickers?
All 12 pints of it.
M's fascination with blood is as mysterious as the man himself mentions it in his